The distance and midpoint formulas. The distance between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2 in the Cartesian plane is given by the formula d equals the square root of the square of x2 minus x1 plus the square of y2 minus y1. For the midpoint between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2 in the Cartesian plane is given by the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the second coordinate as y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Or another way, we can say that a half of the sum of the first coordinate and a half of the sum of the second coordinate. For this example, we are going to determine the distance between 2 points and the midpoint of the line segment joining the pair of the points. 2 points are given as 0, -8 and 6, -9. Let's name it as x1, y1 as a first order pair and x2, y2 for the second order pair. For the distance, the formula is d equals square root of the power 2 of the difference of the x coordinates, or x2 minus x1 power 2 plus the square of the difference of the second coordinate, or y2 minus y1 power 2. And then replace the numbers with the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is 6, subtracted by x1, which is 0 squared, plus the y2 is -9 minus y1, which is -8 power 2 in the square root, and then simplify to be square root of 6 squared plus the second term that simplified to be -1 power 2. Therefore, we have the second term as -1 squared, and then 6 squared is 36, -1 squared is 1. That means the distance between the 2 points will be square root of 37. For the midpoint of the line segment joining the pair of the point, the midpoint, the formula is a half of the sum of each coordinate. So it can be x1 plus x2 divided by 2 for the first coordinate, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 for the second coordinate. So x1 plus x2 is going to be 0 plus 6 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 is going to be -8 plus -9 divided by 2, simplified to be 6 over 2, which is 3, and the second coordinate -8 minus 9, that is -17. -17 divided by 2 becomes -8.5 as the coordinate of the midpoint.